Hey guys, Philip here with freakathletic.com, and today's video we will be covering the 3 key principles of increasing strength. Let's dive in. Firstly, we have the overload principle. We're looking at intensity, volume in a specific workout, and total weekly volume. We want to progressively increase all those variables to increase our strength. Second principle, we've got specificity. We've all heard the saying, practice makes perfect. So you've got to train the movement. You've got to get better at that movement. If you want to get better at pull-ups, you better start doing more pull-ups. For instance, we also got our accessory movements that we need to improve on. So if you look at the bench press, you might want to get your triceps strong. You might want to get your shoulders strong. You need to do specific exercise that will hit those muscles to help with the bench press. Lastly, we've got mechanical leverage. We're looking at mobility and flexibility, how we can improve those variables to improve on our technique. So you want to get into the right, position to execute those exercises properly. You want to utilize the maximum amount of muscles you possibly can. That comes down to being mobile and flexible enough to get into those positions. Now, we're going to be looking at some strategies to be able to adhere to those 3 principles. We've got periodization and frequency. Now, I'll come over here. So with periodization, we're looking at our macro, meso, and microcycles, our training cycles. So microcycle refers to, basically your typical training week. Mesocycle could be like a 4 to 6 week period where you progressively increase these variables, intensity and volume, and then on that final week, you might do a deload, step back again, where you slowly increase from a new set point. So that's diving into that progression, deloading. Now frequency, you want to do the movements more often to get better at it. We're looking at, so we also got the peak responsiveness of the muscle during the post-recovery period. So a muscle might take, between 48 to 72 hours to recover to when there's a certain state of peak responsiveness, where if you hit that muscle during that state, you'll actually be slightly stronger. That's why we want to look at how we structure our workouts to be able to hopefully hit during those peak times where we can get the most out of our muscles. That's why we want to train a bit more frequently. Okay, so that's about it for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it informative. Follow us on YouTube, on Facebook, and Instagram @freakathletic, and hopefully you come back for the next video. Thanks, guys.